Here's how to fix Roblox not launching on Windows 10 or 11. First, make sure the problem isn't caused by Roblox's servers. Open your web browser and visit the Roblox status page. If it shows all systems operational, the servers are working properly, and the issue is likely on your computer. Next, restart your computer. This will close any background applications or processes that might be interfering with Roblox. After your computer restarts, go to your Start menu or search bar and search for Roblox. Right-click the Roblox Player and select Run as Administrator. Check if the game launches normally. If Roblox still isn't opening, you'll need to reinstall it. Open the Start menu, search for Add or Remove Programs, and open it. Here, search for Roblox. Click the three-dot menu next to it and select Uninstall. Confirm the removal and wait for the uninstall process to finish. Once Roblox has been removed, open your web browser, search for Roblox Download. Then, go to the official website of Roblox and download the latest Windows version from the official Roblox website. After that, run the installer and complete the installation. And the Roblox should open. If the issue still persists after reinstalling, open the Start menu again, search for Run, and launch it. In the Run dialog box, type %app data %, then click OK. When the folder opens, click App Data in the address bar, then open the local folder. Here, locate and open the Roblox folder. Then open the Versions folder. Inside the latest version folder, scroll down until you find Roblox Player Launcher. Make sure you open Roblox Player Launcher and not the installer file. Double-click it to launch Roblox directly. After completing these steps, check whether Roblox is opening normally, and that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.